Hello everyone, it's good to have you again on this channel. This is Market Formula. Everything shared in this video is only for educational purposes. In this video, we'll be looking at the Nigerian stock market. We'll be looking at the all share index. We'll also look at some stock that you can buy in ending the month of January. The month of January has been a very bullish month for the Nigerian stock market. As you can see that the month of January started from that 74,000 basis points, and we are currently at a psychological level which is at 100,000 basis points. Looking at my Fibonacci extension, I still expect that it is very likely that the market will hit 3.618 extension around 111,000 basis points. So that's another psychological level for the market. Let's see, in case the market breaks that level, then we are going to a very major psychological level, which is at 125,000 basis points. That's how the market is most likely going to unfold. But let me just do one or two things and let's see the possibility of actually hitting those extension levels. Let me remove this extension. Let me remove the Fibonacci extension. Let me just walk around with trend lines. Let's remove this. Let's remove these breakouts because the market has already played out that. So let's look at this extension. Looking at the monthly chart, I want to just draw a trend line. I actually like drawing a channel from here. You can see that the market went higher and higher and higher. So this is the trend that the market is following. That's actually the monthly trend. This is the breakout of the monthly trend. This is the extension of the monthly trend, which was also broken. We are already on a very strong bullish move. But most likely, when market reacts like this, actually coming back for a retest, retest of it, either most likely is going to retest this trend line. When there is a breakout, there's always a pullback before market continues to move in that direction. As the market is going up, people will take profit. There's going to be sellers coming in, then pushing the price down. Then we expect that at some level, it will also attract some buyers, some late buyers that didn't come into the market when the market was still around this 50,000 level, and the market now find a slight pullback around this anywhere on this trend line. I still expect that the market will come back and retest that trend line. So let me still drop my Fibonacci. Let's see some extension levels that we can still measure. I can actually measure extension from here to here. Let's see the levels that we can expect the market to react to. Okay, you can see there's a breakout of here. Then the next level is actually 110. This is the zone we are looking at. This is the zone we are looking at for the All-Share Index. So going forward, I expect the market to find some reaction at this level. And if there's a breakout of this level again, we are facing the next extension level. So that's how we expect that the market unfold going forward. So having said that, let me look at maybe few stocks that we can still buy in this market. I'll be looking at, let's say, 4 or 5 stocks that we can still buy. If you still need more stocks, you can refer to my previous videos where you can see some other stocks that I've already recommended on this channel. But let me just look at this fresh one. I'm looking at Guinness. Let me see Guinness. So Guinness, for me, Guinness is a good buy. Let me analyze it. Looking at my Fibonacci from here to here, we are currently on a retracement. 50% retracement is already achieved. Then we expect that the market moves something like this. Let me draw my channel. Market is most likely going to follow this channel. Yes, this channel for now, or this extension. This is a very good buy for the for Guinness. If you can get Guinness at 66 naira, is a good entry for this stock for a profit target around maybe 124 naira or 155 naira. So these are possibilities that we can get in Guinness. So Guinness is number one stock that I'm looking at. Then I'm looking at UACN. UACN. USCN, okay, there is a breakout, there is a pullback, and there is a continuation. If you can get this stock at around 14 naira, is a good buy. Let's look at the channel that we are following. The market is most likely following this channel. Market is following this channel. All right. This is actually the channel. I see that we are currently at a breakout of that channel. Is a breakout, is a pullback, and there is a continuation. So because there's a continuation at that level, let me draw the extension for the channel. So I expect that the market move something like this. So that is what is playing out. Let's draw this Fibonacci from this is a pullback, this is another pullback. So from here to here, okay, let me remove this one. Okay, so this is what I expect. Okay, markets hitting here. Let's see whether market will get to 31 naira. Let's see how that's going to play out. Let's look at Oando. Ohando 2 is also a breakout and a pullback continuation. Is a breakout, a pullback, and a continuation. So we need to measure the extensions. Where's the trend line? This is the trend line. This is the trend line. This is the extension. And there is a breakout and a pullback continuation. So if that happens, you know, so let's draw Fibonacci from here to here. Okay, we already hit 2.618. So let's say you can have something like this. Breakout pullback continuation. Then let's see if we can get to 4.236 extension. So this is what I expect to play out in Oando. Let's look at FTN Cocoa. Okay, it's also a breakout pullback continuation. Let me see what is happening. I think this stock is already too high. Because if I'm drawing my Fibonacci, I want to drop my Fibonacci like this. See, market came around. Okay, didn't quite get there. Let's see what's going to happen because this is a strong rejection. Maybe we should just leave this FTN Cocoa out. Okay, I think that should be all for the stock that I want to watch, and that will be all that we can take for this video. Hope to see you in our next video.